Oh my, I can't wait to hear what life will be like. Is that my mommy? Is that my daddy? I'm a little scared, I'm a little scared, I'm a little scared, I'm a little scared, I'm a little scared.
The overture begins with breath and light. A newborn cry breaks morning's night. A lullaby in 6/8 time. The downbeat of the grand design. Tiny hands in major keys. Wonder tuned in melodies. Laughter skipping through the air. A child's joy without a care. Look to the sky. Every sound's a piece of who we are. A spark, a cheer, a rising star. Look to the sky. The reason we sing is not to survive. Look to the sky. It's to shine through the sounds of life. Harmony is found in passing eyes. A playful rhythm, bold and shy. No need for notes to chart the way. When hearts compose in bold relay. The laughter shared in midnight tunes. Two voices soft beneath the moon. Together in a perfect sway. A cannon booming into day. To the sky. Every sound's a piece of who we are. A spark, a cheer, a rising star. The reason we sing is not to survive. It's to shine through the sounds of life. Even storms have songs to give. Progression shift, yet still we live. A sharp note bends, attention swells. And out of chaos, beauty tells. Mistakes become a part of form. Improvised and newly born. The sound of falling isn't shame. It's the measure that gives rise to flame. Look to the sky. Every sound's a piece of who we are. A spark, a cheer, a rising star. Look to the sky. The reason we sing memories grow dim. The echoes sing where hearts have been. No final note, no last goodbye. The sound of life is the reason